play against me, man.
Ooh. Don't worry, he'll take it out on me.
Yeah, I got to do something.
The old... This is one of those matchups where, you know, it's always a tight one.
Jeez.
Can I really just do that too? Whoa! You're getting a center shot too? What the hell?
Jeez.
Here, I'll just give that to you.
I'm going to give it to you for...
Yeah, that's going to help against a standard cut player. Missing the fucking shot. What am I doing?
Ah!
Oh, mother pupper!
Oh,
What?
okay.
Yeah.
Woo.
Ooh.
Why would you just do that? Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Are you fucking kidding me? Did I just do that?
Sheesh.
It rolled right back to you though. Oh, that was tragic. Really?
I better figure out how I'm going to do the write-up there, Mr. Sola, about Dave, you know, about the Red Wings team, the team bus crashed or something like that.
The team bus crashed.
Yeah.
On the way into town.
Yeah, on the way to town, yeah.
Didn't have any tires. No money for tires.
You might not think that's being too humorous.
I think you should mention something about hookers and the
Oh,
team's
yeah.
bus crashing. Rumor is there were multiple hookers on board at the time.
Or the Red Wings were taking pixel dust.
Pixel dust. I thought that was Zach.
Yeah, Zach sells it.
I didn't really know that day. You might
This game's so slippery. Mother scratcher. I say wait for no, they try to wait for you. I went to take a shot and it's like, no, wait.
Dang.
Oh, nice defense.
Yeah, come on.
Seriously?
30 seconds.
Whoa. How'd you get that through?
Ah!
I lined that up.
2, 1.
What?
You make it down to the GLI?
No, I didn't go to GLI. I wish it did because it was a good game.